Bippity boppity boo. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? So today I am going to be showing you my hair routine. Basically, this is what I do for my hair every day. This is how I style it, and I'm going to be using the Duvolle Trinity 3-in-1 Tourmaline Curling Wand. Duvolle Pro Series. This seriously is like the best thing ever. I'm obsessed with it. I use it literally every day. I've been doing my hair like this every day, and I will never do anything else probably. Also guys, I do have a discount code for Duvolle for 70% off. You can use code MEARA, MEARA. You can get the curling iron. You can get anything on Duvolle for 70% off. So I'll leave their link down below. Go check them out. To find out more about this curling iron and more about my hairstyling routine, just keep watching. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like when it just like dries and I don't do anything to it. Not very cute, I know. So we're using this Duvolle Trinity 3-in-1 curling set to save me. Okay, when you open it, this is what it looks like. So it's like a digital little like control thing, and then it comes with the 3 different barrels. Okay, so the largest one that it comes with, it's a 32mm barrel. So this one would be so good if you had like longer hair and you just wanted like some nice like loose subtle waves or curls, whatever. And then to like interchange them, you just like twist it to unlock it and it just pops right off. And then there's like the medium one, which is 25mm, and they all have like a cool tip thing to hold on to so you don't burn yourself. And then the smallest one is the 19mm. This is the one I use because my hair is so short and it's just easier. This one literally won't do anything to my hair, like it's way too big. And it does also come with like a glove to like hold the hair on so you don't burn your hand. I personally hate using gloves with curling irons. Like I hate the feel of it, and I like being able to touch the hair, so I'd rather just burn myself. I don't burn myself often, but it does happen, but I'd rather that than to not feel the hair. Okay, so now that I have this plugged in, I'm just gonna turn it on. I keep mine up like pretty freaking high because I have like really thick coarse hair. So I'm setting mine to 410, and it shows you what temperature it's at while it heats up. It also comes with like a little pamphlet guide about how to use it and like, I don't know, preparing your hair. It has like a temperature setting guide. So if you have like normal fine hair, you should keep it between like 265, that's like the coolest it gets, to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. For wavy or curly hair, you want it like 320 to 395, and for coarse or thick hair, you want it 395 to 430. So that's how I keep mine at like 410, because you know, it's not the highest, but if I keep it much lower, it won't even curl my hair. So, and this curling iron also has tourmaline coated barrels, which means it's gonna like help your hair stay like smooth. It's gonna reduce frizz even though it's still making it curly. It locks in moisture, reduces static, make sure that your curls are nice and long lasting. Okay, so before I curl my hair, before I curl or straighten it, I always like to use a heat protector spray. Heat protector is so important. I'm so shocked by the amount of people who like don't use heat protector. It's so important, guys. If you don't use heat protector, you're just like letting you're frying your hair. Another important thing that when you do use like a spray heat protector, let it dry before you put the heat on it, or else your hair is a little bit wet and it's gonna steam it and burn it. So make sure that your heat protector is dry. And then I'm just gonna like section off my hair. I'm just gonna kind of start with the nape area here. I have like all the underneath of my hair shaved. I like to do like a lot of sections is because my hair is like so thick. If you like, I've known so many girls who don't even section their hair when they curl it, but if you have thick hair, you need to section your hair, like seriously. Just take like little pieces, wrap it around. This is what I do when my hair is like kind of freshly clean, or I might wear it like straight or something on the first day, or natural. I don't like straightening my hair too much because I don't want to like use too much heat on it all the time. But I'll do this on like probably like the second day that my hair is clean. And then I honestly wear my hair like this for like all week. I wash my hair like twice a week, so I don't really need to wash it anymore. And then doing this on like the first day or whatever, I just need to like touch it up throughout the week, like touch up little pieces. The back is always like the hardest part. Like I never really know if like the back looks good, honestly. Just burned my finger a little bit, but it's fine. This curling iron is also like so lightweight. It feels really comfortable in the hand. It's not like heavy or any bulky or anything. Okay, I'm just gonna like go ahead and curl this. Curling your hair is a workout, honestly. Okay, now that I'm more on the top, let me give you some curling hair tips. Something that I really like to do, like if you're looking for that like really natural kind of looking vibe, switch the direction like of your curl, like alternating every single time. So like this one I curled back, and then the one behind it I'll curl forwards. If that makes any sense. I can't see it. So this one's coming forwards, kind of like towards my face. And then this next piece I'm going to curl it back. And then that just kind of makes your curls or waves look a little bit more natural, because like people with naturally curly hair, you know, their curls don't all go the same way. So this just kind of gives it a messy, more natural look. And something else too, if you don't want your curls to be too tight, after you curl it, just kind of, I like to just pull it down a little bit to like loosen it up. But my hair's so dry, this looks disgusting. And also that kind of depends on how well your hair holds curl as well. Like if you have really soft, shiny hair, it's really healthy, it probably doesn't hold curl as well as someone who has like dry or coarse hair. My hair holds curl pretty well, so I don't usually like to have my curls be like too tight. But if these are really tight actually, that will change. But if you do have like really soft, shiny, healthy, fine hair or something, anything along those lines, then you probably want to make your curls be like a little bit tighter at first, and don't really pull them apart too much until you need to. So like curl them like really tightly, and then once your whole head's done, spray them with hairspray, let them set, and then kind of pull them apart a little bit. Another thing too, I was going to say, really make sure that you're careful with your heat setting, because if you do have finer hair, you will be like those funny compilations where girls burn their hair off. If you ever feel your hair like sticking to the iron at all, that's when you know that you need to lower your temperature. Also, I just love using wands to curl hair. Like I always recommend it to people too, because like it's the easiest way to curl your hair yourself. Like when my hair was longer, or even I guess before I got this curling iron, I would just do flat iron curls. Which I kind of have the hang of flat iron curls now, but I didn't always have the hang of them. And it is really, it's probably like the hardest type of like curl to do on yourself is flat iron curls. But like a wand is just so easy, and plus you don't have to like curl the ends really, because that look is kind of in where like the ends are a little bit straighter, that like beach wave look, you know. Gosh, guys, my arms hurt so bad. I have so much hair. All these tips that I'm giving you, they work whether you have short hair, long hair, thick hair, fine hair. I have actually had people think that when I do my hair like this, I've had people think that it was my natural hair texture. And I was like, no girl, this took a lot of time. I freaking wish this was natural. Also, honestly, if you're trying to grow your hair out and your hair is kind of at an awkward length, curling it is the way to go, because you can hide all the awkwardness in curls. I mean, look at me. So much less awkward right now. Okay, so I'm pretty much done curling everything. This is what it looks like. I feel like I look like a 50s housewife or something. I don't know. It's not really accurate. So at this point, I'll either do like hairspray or texture spray. I've actually never used hairspray anymore. I used to a lot. But now I've just been loving doing texture spray. Although I would recommend, if your hair doesn't hold curl as well, definitely use hairspray probably, because I don't know, my hair holds curl really well. It doesn't really need the extra hold. Adding like a dry texture spray, I've been loving using this stuff lately. It like adds body and fullness. I feel like it kind of helps the curl set too, keeping like the texture in. And this is also such a great way to refresh your hair. So just kind of spray it through the mids and ends. And then I'm just gonna kind of like mess up my curls, pull them apart a little bit more. And then when I do this in the morning, I'll just probably usually have like a couple pieces on the top that I'll have to like re-curl from like sleeping on them, or like just life, you know? Yeah, and then even like on the first day that I do this, I might like touch up a few pieces. I do my hair like this every day now, and then I do this on the first day, and I can wear my hair like this for a week, and it does kind of like fall down a little bit throughout the week, but that's why I just touch it up a little bit in the morning, and then I'm good to go. And also using a wand, I feel like is such a fast way to curl your hair. Anyway guys, that is it for this video. This is how I do my hair every single day. Sometimes I like maybe tuck this behind my ear, like put a clip there. That's pretty much it. That has been my hairstyling routine lately. This Duvolle spin brush has saved my life, so I would highly recommend it. Like, wands are the way to go for curling your own hair, and it comes with different size barrels, so you can do like 3 different looks with one tool. Okay, it's amazing. So yeah guys, I will link this down below, and don't forget you can use code MEARA, MEARA, and that will give you 70% off all of their tools. I still use the Duvolle face brush every single day. You can even buy that. You can buy this curling iron. They have so many other great tools too. There's like a flat iron if you need a new flat iron. 70% off. That is such a steal. So make sure you go check them out. Link down below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications. Have a wonderful, fantabulous day, and peace out.